Okay, now we are done with the registration, login and dashboard. So now we can go with the forgot password. Okay, so forgot password is quite similar to the registration functionality, because in this one also we are going to send the email to the user so that he can just go ahead and click on that for resetting his password. Okay, so let's do that. So let me first run my server. Let me first get into the virtual environment. Source env scripts activate python manage.py run server. Alright, so now this is the login, and here I want to make a forgot password link. Okay, first of all we'll have to go to the URLs and make a URL for this. Let me say path forgot password and views forgot password and comma name is equal to forgot password. Okay, and next we'll go ahead and make a view for this. So after this dashboard, let's say def forgot password a request and a return render account slash forgot password dot html. Okay, so now we have to create this forgot password. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this login template and paste it here. Okay, so now let me rename it. Forgot password. Okay, and first I'll get rid of this conditions and all. I don't need this now, so end if also I don't need. So now if I go to forgot password, okay, okay, let me put this one, this forward slash. All right, so that was the problem. And now instead of this sign in, I'll make it forgot password. Here it is. Remove forgot password. Now see, we have this form. Okay, so the form will be post, and this will change now. So this will be forgot password, and CSRF token we need, and the input type email, and this email address we need, and this password thing we don't need. Okay, so I'll remove this div, and I don't need this one. Okay, otherwise I can say got password login. URL space login. Okay, and this is let me make it submit. Okay, now if I refresh, what I have is a forgot password, email address. Okay, so if I have the password, then I can log in, otherwise. Okay, so now I think I need to make this this box a little bit bigger. So I'll make it 600. Refresh. All right. Okay, so now what I want to do is I just want to I just want the user to put their email address in here, and when they submit it, so it will first check if that account is exist or not with that email address. Okay, so if it doesn't exist, then of course we are going to throw him an error, account does not exist. Okay, if it exists, then what we are going to do, we are actually going to send him an reset password email. Okay, with the reset password email we will be also sending the a token. Okay, so it is very similar to the registration one. Okay, so let me first write logic for this one. Okay, let me go to the views, and for this forgot password, I'll first check if the request is a post or not. If request dot method is equal to post, and let me take the email address from the request email. Okay, so this email is actually coming from here. All right, and then I'll first check if the account exists or not. Let me say if account dot objects dot get email is equal to email dot exists. Okay, so this exist will return true or false. Okay, if I get the true, then I'll just enter inside this if condition. So else, I'll make a else condition. So if it doesn't exist, then I'll just say messages dot error request comma account does not exist. All right, so in the if condition, what I'll do, I'll first get the user. Okay, so user is equal to account. Okay, so this is count dot objects dot get email is equal to email. Okay, so instead of doing like this, what I'll do, I'll just say email underscore exact. Okay, so what this exact will do is it will check if the email address he is entering is exactly same as what we have in the database. Okay, so there is another thing, iExact also. So if we put iExact, then it will be case insensitive. Okay, so this exact is case sensitive. All right, so one mistake here we did, it is account dot objects dot filter. Okay, not get, it should be filter. And once this is done, then after that it will be sending the email to the user. So what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and copy my previous code here, user activation, right? So I'll copy from here current site, and until this send, I'll copy and come back to here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so now this will be a reset password email, and the current site will be same, email subject will be changed. Okay, Now this time it is reset your password. Reset your password, and the message render to string accounts, this account verification email.html. so we'll instead of this one, I'll just say I can say reset underscore password underscore email dot html. Okay, and user will be user, domain is a current site, UID this is also same, and the token this is the make token, and next to email is equal to email. Okay, so we have this email, and so this is just a variable send email. So if you want to change the name of this variable, you can change that. Then email message, we have mail subject, we have message, and we have to email, and let's send this email from here. All right, so now once this email is sent, what I'll do, I'll just say messages dot success request comma password reset email has been sent to your email address. All right, so now I can just go ahead and redirect to where I can redirect to the login page. Okay, login. All right, so let me fix this, all these gaps. All right, so now okay, so in the else condition also, when we throw the message, we have to return redirect it to some page. Okay, so otherwise it will give you error. Redirect. So if the account does not exist, then what I'll do, I'll just redirect back to the forgot password, right? Forgot password. Okay, in the forgot password I should actually include the alert messages. Okay, so here, okay, it is already included. All right, what next? So next thing will be, it is like I'll have to make this one reset password email. Okay, so let me first make this one. Okay, I'll copy and I'll just create a new file. Okay, reset password email. Inside this reset password email, the same thing what we have written here. Okay, auto escape off. So this auto escape off actually protects you from the cross-site forgery. Okay, and auto escape off. So in this one, I'll just write a content. Let me copy it here. Okay, so let me first copy and paste hi user dot first name. Then instead of this, I'll just say as requested, please click below link to reset your password. Okay, so next we need to form this link. So this is domain, and this, instead of this activate, we'll make a reset password validate. Okay, reset password underscore validate. Okay, so once this validation is done, then we are going to allow the user to reset his password. Okay, otherwise this link will get expired. So then this UIDB64 and token. Okay, so if you think it's not you, please ignore the same. Anyways, so this is not a problem. All right, so now what I'll do, I'll just test this. Okay, we already have the SMTP setup. Okay, so first, okay, something is wrong. Return. Okay, return login. This is wrong. Where is it? Return redirect. Okay, and now this should be fine. Okay, so now we have the let me put some dummy email address. Let's see if this is giving me an error. Submit. Okay, account does not exist. Okay, so I think which account we have, I'll go to incognito. Just let me quickly check. Okay, so this account we have. Okay, so this is the one. Submit. Reset password validate, because we did not create any URL, right? So that's why it is giving error. Let me quickly do that. What I'll do, I'll just copy. Okay, so copy and paste this, and this also. Instead of this activate, I'll say reset password validate, and view also reset password validate, name also reset password. Now if I continue, oh sorry, go to views. We'll make a simple function first. Okay, a request, just say return, and return HTTP response. Okay, now this should be fine. Alright, password reset email has been sent to your email address. Let me check if I get the email. Alright, this is the email. So this link, when we click on this, it will take us to the reset password page. Okay, so before taking us to reset password page, in between what will happen, this validation will happen. Okay, so we'll have to make a decoding of all these tokens. Okay, so once that is done, if everything is okay and the link is not expired, then it will allow us to make a password reset. Alright, so for this view and reset password form, we'll do in the next one. Okay, thank you.